Jamaica, land of sunshine, reggae, and incredible athletes. This vibrant island nestled in the Caribbean Sea is not just known for its beautiful beaches and rich culture, but also for its remarkable contribution to the world of athletics. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the serene hills of the countryside, the spirit of competition and excellence is deeply ingrained in the Jamaican way of life. This small island nation produces some of the fastest people on the planet. The dedication and hard work of these athletes are evident in their intense training sessions and unwavering focus. It's no wonder that Jamaica has become synonymous with speed and athletic prowess. Every year, one event showcases this raw talent: the Asafa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, also known as Champs. This prestigious event is a breeding ground for future stars, where young athletes from all over the island come to compete and prove their mettle. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the energy electrifying. The atmosphere at Champs is nothing short of exhilarating, with fans passionately cheering for their favorite athletes. The excitement is palpable, and the support from the crowd fuels the competitors to push their limits. Thousands gather to witness future Olympians and world record holders take their first steps towards greatness. These young athletes, with their eyes set on the stars, showcase not just their speed, but their determination, resilience, and the indomitable Jamaican spirit. Each race is a testament to their hard work and dreams of making history. Champs is more than just a competition. It's a Jamaican institution. It's a celebration of athleticism, community, and national pride. Every year, the entire country comes together to witness the future stars of track and field. Picture this: 1910, a time of great change. Jamaica was evolving, and so was its sporting culture. The seeds of what would become Champs were being planted. Out of this era, Champs was born. It started as a modest event but quickly captured the hearts of the nation. Since then, it's grown into a 5-day spectacle. Today, it's not just about the competition. It's about the spirit of camaraderie and the joy of sportsmanship. Schools from every corner of Jamaica compete. From the smallest rural schools to the largest urban institutions, everyone has a chance to shine. They're all vying for the coveted Mortimer Geddes Trophy for boys, a symbol of excellence and hard work, and the Grace Shield for girls. These trophies represent more than just victory. They embody the dreams and aspirations of young athletes across Jamaica. Champs is a proving ground. It's where legends are made. Think of Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive. His journey to 8 Olympic golds began right here. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson, Yohan Blake, the list goes on. These athletes all rose to fame from the Champs track. Section 4. More than a meet, Champs and Jamaican culture. Champs is deeply woven into the fabric of Jamaican life. Families and friends gather. They paint their faces in school colors, waving flags and chanting. It's a celebration of talent, dedication, and national pride. Champs shows the world the spirit of Jamaica. Section 5. Join the movement, experience the Champs. The Champs are more than just a sporting event. They are a testament to the human spirit. Every year, athletes from all over come together to push their limits and achieve the extraordinary. It's a celebration of dedication, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From the roar of the crowd to the intense focus on the athletes' faces, every moment is charged with emotion and energy. To witness this spectacle is to witness greatness in the making. Each race, each jump, each throw is a story of hard work and determination. The Champs are where dreams are realized and legends are born. It's not just about winning. It's about the journey, the struggle, and the triumph. Don't miss out on the excitement. Whether you're in the stadium or watching from home, the energy is palpable. Feel the adrenaline rush as records are broken and new heroes emerge. Share these unforgettable moments with your loved ones and be part of the global community that celebrates athletic excellence. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories from the world of sports. Stay connected and never miss an update on the latest events, highlights, and behind-the-scenes action. Your support helps us bring you closer to the heart of the action. Let's celebrate the future stars of track and field. These young athletes are the champions of tomorrow, and their journey is just beginning. Join us in supporting and encouraging them as they strive for greatness. Together, we can inspire the next generation of sports legends.